Hey, what's up? This is Jae C. Thank you your time for watching my video over here. Okay, let me explain why you need video as a tool in your business. The number one reason is because all your customers watching videos every single day. I believe including you yourself. Everyone love to watch video rather than just a long article itself, right? Video can actually help you leverage to broadcast your potential client 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to even 1,000. Alright, let me explain why video. First, video have higher ROI. Second, video build trust. Third, video explain everything. Fourth, video helps you to increase your sales. Number 5, video have higher conversion rate. 6, 90% of the online traffic comes from video. 7, Google love video. Number 8, video engage even the laziest buyers. Alright, maybe I can share a little bit of our previous work. Okay, check this out. Okay, if you are really interested to work with us, please do not hesitate to contact us. We provide all kind of video production filming, no matter it is promo video, commercial video, corporate video, interview video, event video, tutorial video, or content video, and so on. So just message me right now. See you guys soon. Bye bye. I'm Jae C.